Hello everyone. In today's video we will be talking about vertical subtraction. Now I'm going to start off with an example of a subtraction that does not need to be done vertically. So for example, here we have 67 take away 5. I can do this without using vertical subtraction. Why? Because 5 is a small number. It's a number that I can put on my fingers. So if I make 5 fingers and count backwards from 67, I would get 66, 65, 64, 63, 62. So my result would be 62. But if I try to do the same with this subtraction, 67 take away 23, I can't, because 23 is a big number. I don't have 23 fingers, so I need to use vertical subtraction. I need to go to my notebook or a piece of paper and make the shape that we used for the same process with addition. I need to put 67 on top, so here, and 23 right below it. I also need to put in the minus sign so that I can remember that I'm doing subtraction, and anyone who sees my work later knows that I'm doing subtraction. I start from the right, so basically from the ones, and I say 7 take away 3. 7 take away 3 makes 4. Then I move to the tens on the left, and I say 6 take away 2 makes also 4. And so my result is 44. Now I'm going to write some subtractions for us to practice on. Let's continue. I would like for you to take a moment and try and solve these subtractions on a piece of paper or your notebook. So pause the video and try to do them on your own and continue once you are done. Or if you feel the subtraction is too hard and you need to see how it's done. Pause the video in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, so now I'm guessing that you have tried to solve them on your own, and we'll be solving them together to see if you did them correctly. I'm going to start from 85 take away 23. What you need to be careful with here is to put each number in the correct spot. So 85 needs to go on top because it is first. Also, you need to place them correctly. So 8 should go here, and 5 should go here. Common mistake is putting 5 here. To avoid this mistake, try and remember that when you're asked to write a number, let's say someone asks you to write the number 37, you write 3, and then the 7 you place right next to it, not below it. So when you want to write 85, write 8, and then next to it, write the 5. Next, I'm going to place 23 right below it, so here. And I'm going to put in my minus sign. And I say 5, take away 3, makes 2. 8, take away 2, makes 6. So my result is 62. Next up, we have 47 take away 17. I write the 4 first, and then the 7 next to it. Below it, I write 17. And the minus sign. And I say 7, take away 7. Well, think about this. Think if you had 7 pencils and you gave them all to someone, what would you be left with? Well, no pencils. That number is 0. Next, I say 4, take away 1. It's 3. So my answer is 30. Next, we have 59, take away 22. Again, I put the 59 on top, 22 right below it. I start by doing 9, take away 2, makes 7. And then I say 5, take away 2, makes 3. So my answer is 37. My last subtraction is 98, take away 92. 8, take away 2, makes 6. And 9, take away 9, makes 0. Now this might confuse you because there's a 0 here. That just means that the tens are 0. So my answer is 6. I actually don't have to write the 0 in front of it. My answer is 6. That's all for today. Tomorrow we'll be doing some more complicated exercises with. See you tomorrow.